Want to remove a Gemini conversation you no longer need? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete one chat in the Gemini app on Android. Start from your home screen. Swipe up to open apps, move to the page containing Gemini, tap the Gemini icon, and let the app finish loading. If the keyboard appears, press back once. On the Gemini start screen, look at the upper left corner and tap Menu, shown as 3 horizontal lines. The sidebar opens with New Chat, Search Chats, Images, Library, and a Recents section. Under Recents, find the exact conversation you want to remove. My example is called Short Weekend Grocery Checklist. Before deleting anything, tap Short Weekend Grocery Checklist to open it. Check the prompt and Gemini's answer so you know this is the chat. Swipe upward slowly to preview the response, then swipe back toward the top. Open Menu again to return to Recents. This check helps you avoid removing the wrong conversation. Under Recents, check the title one more time. A quick tap opens the chat, so this time you need a long press. Place your finger on Short Weekend Grocery Checklist and hold it. When the action panel slides up, confirm the same title, then find Delete at the bottom. On the action panel, pause on the correct title, then tap Delete at the bottom. Gemini opens Delete Chat. Read the warning. You will no longer see this chat, and related prompts, responses, and feedback are removed from Gemini Activity. Now tap Confirm. The dialog closes, and Short Weekend Grocery Checklist disappears from Recents, while the other conversation remains. The change proves it worked. To recap, open Gemini, tap Menu, find the conversation under Recents, press and hold its title, tap Delete, review the warning, and tap Confirm. That is how to delete one Gemini conversation on Android. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Android tutorials.